is impossible to add number of different base directly. All you need to do is to make sure both of them have the same base. You cannot add this number in base 2 and this number in base 3. You can't add them directly. What you need to do first, which is the first step, is to either convert base 3 to base 2 or convert base 2 to base 3. If I convert base 2 to base 3, then I will have base 3 here, I will have base 3 here. If I convert base 3 to base 2, then I will have base 2 here, I will also have base 2 here. Then I cannot add both of them together. So let's go ahead and solve this work now. Step 1. Step 1. I'm going to be converting this number to base 3, then I will add them together. So how do I convert this number to base 3? I will have 1, 1, 1, 0, 1, base 2. Now, listen attentively. It is impossible to convert base 2 to base 3 directly. You cannot convert from base 2 to base 3 directly. What do you have to do? You have to convert from base 2 to base 10, then from base 10 to base 3. It is very simple and straightforward. Just follow me. You convert from base 2 to base 10, then you convert from base 10 to base 3, then you cannot add both of them together. So how do I convert from base 2 to base 10? Why did I need to convert from base 2 to base 10? Why can't I convert from base 2 to base 3? It is because only base 10 have the ability or access to convert to any other base. Every other base apart from base 10 have to come to base 10 before they can be changed to any other base. So let me convert base 2 to base 10. What do I need to do to convert base 2 to base 10? I will have to have 0 from my number. I said in our last class that all our number in mathematics is from 0 to 9. That is, we have 0, we have 1, we have 2, we have 3, we have 4, we have 5, and many more till 9. 2, followed by 3, followed by 4. So you see that I'm writing it from my right hand side to the left hand side. And why am I writing 0, 1, 2, 3, 4? You are going to understand now. Then what is the first number I have here? Don't forget that I'm converting this to base 10. You can add converting this to base 10. I'm converting this to base 10. So what is the first number I have here? 1. So I have 1 multiplied by, what's the base? 2. Raised to the power of, what did I have here? 4. Then plus, what did I have here? 1 multiplied by the base raised to power the number I have here, 3. What's the next number? 1 plus 1 multiplied by, what is the base I have here? 2 raised to power, what did I have here? 2. Plus, what's the next number? Is 0 multiplied by, what's the base I have here? 2 raised to power, what did I have here? 1. Plus the last number, which is 1 multiplied by the base raised to power 0. Let me tell you, the first number multiplied by the base raised to the power of this plus, don't interchange plus for multiplication and multiplication for addition. 1 multiplied by the base raised to the power of this plus the next number multiplied by the base raised to the power of this plus the next number, and that is how you are going to do it until you get to the last number, which is 1. So 2 raised to power 4 is 16. Now, what is the meaning of 2 raised to power 4? Many people make mistake with this. 2 raised to power 4 is not 2 times 4. 2 times 4 is 8. 2 times 4 is different from 2 raised to power 4. What is the meaning of 2 raised to power 4? The meaning of 2 raised to power 4 is 2 raised to power 4 is the same thing as 2 in 4 places. That is 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2. How many 2 do I have here? 1, 2, 3, 4. This is the meaning of 2 raised to power 4. So if I'm to multiply all of this together, 2 times 2 will give me 4. 4 times 2 will give me 8. And 8 times 2 will give me 16. So that is why 2 raised to power 4 is 16 and not 8. So I believe I've made myself clear. Plus 1 times anything raised to power 0 under number base is 1. In fact, not even only under number base, but just know that once you are working under number base, anything raised to power 0 is 1. Any number raised to power 0 is 1. 10 raised to power 0, 1. 5 raised to power 0, 1. 100 raised to power 0, 1. So please don't forget this. Anything raised to power 0, any number raised to power 0, we give you 1. So let me come back here again. Then 1 times 16, I have 16. Plus 1 times 8, I have 8. Plus 1 times 4, I have 4. Plus 0 times 2 is 0. Anything multiplied by 0 is what? 0. Plus 1 times 1, I have 1. Then add all of this together. 16 plus 8 plus 4 plus 0 plus 1 is going to give me 29 base 10. Don't forget what I said earlier that we are converting to base 10. So I have converted this to base 10. 16 plus 8 plus 4 plus 0 plus 1, it gives me 29. Then you see your base 10. So after having 29 base 10, remember that I want to convert this base 2 to base 3. But now I have converted this to base 10. Then the next thing I have to do is to convert this base 10 to base 3. So how do I convert base 10 to base 3? Then we use the second method, which is this. Then I'll have my 29 here. What am I converting this to? I'm converting 29 base 10 to base 3. That is what I'm doing. So because I'm converting it to base 3, I'm going to be having 3 here. If I'm converting it to base 2, I will have 2 here. If I'm converting it to base 4, I will have 4 here. If I'm converting it to base 5, I will have 5 here. But because I'm converting it to base 3, I will have 3 here. So 3 divided by 29. That is, how many 3 can you see in 29? That is going to give us 9. 9 remainder 2. That's how you are going to write it. 9. This R stands for remainder, and this one is what? Is 2. Then you continue using 3 all through. Then I have 3 again. 3 divided by 9 is going to give me 3 remainder 0. Then I will use 3 again. 3 divided by 3 will give me 1 remainder 0. Then 3 divided by 1 is going to give me 0 remainder 1. So it is when you get to a 0 here that you are going to stop. So after getting this now, I've converted this to base 3 now. Then you put your arrow here. I know some of you might be thinking that, why did I stop here? Why didn't I stop here? It is because 1 is still a number. It is until when it gets to 0 that I need to stop. So that's why I still have 3 in 1 is 0 remainder 1. So you put your arrow. What is the meaning of this arrow? This arrow indicates that I'm writing my answer from the bottom line here. So what is the number I have here first? 1, followed by 0, followed by 0, followed by 2. In base what? Base 3. So converting 1, 1, 1, 0, 1 base 2 to base 3 is this. So this number is equivalent to this number. This number is in base 2 and this one now is in base 3. So I've converted this from base 2 to base 3. So what is the next thing I need to do now? Then remove this one that is here and put what you have here. That is, I'll now be having 1002 base 3 plus 1112 base 3. Now, both of them now have the same base. Then I can now add them together. So let's go ahead and add them together. Then we get our answer. 2 plus 2 is what? 4. I cannot write 4 because 4 is greater than 3. So what do? I write my 4 divided by the base, which is 3. It's going to give me what? 1 remainder 1. 3 divided by 4 is going to give me 1 remainder 1. So don't forget, I'm writing my remainder. So what is my remainder here? 1. So I write my remainder. The one that I have here, I carry it here to the next column. So 1 plus 0, 1. 1 plus 1, 2. 2 is less than 3, so I can have 2. 0 plus 1 is 1. 1 is less than 3, so I can write 1. 1 plus 1 is 2. 2 is less than 3, so I can write 2. So this is my final answer. So addition of these two is going to give me 2, 1, 2, 1, base 3. In step 1, you convert base 2 to base 10. Then step 2, you convert base 10 to base 3. Step 3, you add both of them together and you get your final answer. So please, if you have any question, drop it at the comment section. If there is anything you don't understand, also drop it at the comment section. And if you like this very video, give us a thumbs up. Share this video with some of your friends that you see that this can actually help. Thank you very much and God bless you.